Right, Pooja Khedkar remains our big story. The IAS officer, young IAS officer, demanding from her seniors privileges, and also then how it started to be exposed that her selection itself in the UPSC raises some questions one after another. A series of issues around this one IAS officer. Remember, this is very important to be taken care of right away because this is Indian Administrative Services where lakhs of candidates spend years to clear, and it could be demoralizing, and therefore to ensure that it's just one-off case and not about the Indian Administrative Services as a system. Pune police will take action under the Motor Vehicle Act against Audi vehicle that she used. And Additional Commissioner of Police Manoj Patil has told India Today that using the sirens or any sort of VVIP reference on private vehicles and to show that this is a government vehicle is a violation of traffic rules and that they will take proper action as per law. Pune police, meanwhile, is at Khedkar's residence. It belongs to her father. According to our reporters on the ground, this is about a 30 crore rupees worth property. And this young woman decided to get selected in the UPSC as an IAS officer, saying, I'm from OBC non-creamy layer. 40 crore rupees worth assets, a bungalow in Pune, prime properties, and says that I'm from a poor, underprivileged, lower economic strata.
In the frame, traffic police have already reached. They're waiting for someone who can come outside and open the door. So basically, they are going to check the Audi car on which that Pooja Khedkar used to put siren, and the Maharashtra Shasan Board. Additional Commissioner Manoj Patil, who informed to the India Today, they are going to check inside, is there any pending challan on the specific Audi which is covered. Let me go to inside. Gopal, come inside and we can see the Audi car which is totally covered right now. And basically, Pooja Khedkar was using her private car. Maharashtra Shasan, I mean the government of Maharashtra board was written on that, and she was using this siren, and especially the Lal Batti was using on the same car. All car numbers are 5,000, like MS-12 passing vehicle they are using. But now traffic police have already reached. They are going to scrutinize what kind of vehicles they are using. Is there any pending challan? Is there any other things? And as per the Motor Vehicle Act of Maharashtra, they are going to charge, they are going to take action against Pooja Khedkar's vehicle.
Now, Omkar Bhable is constantly getting us updates from the activists, from the police, and also from the ground. What you're looking at, if you're wondering what is that document on your screens, it says multiple disabilities. Remember, this concession is allowed for those who are willing to be a part of the UPSC. It's an inclusive service. But she said she has disabilities. When the experts wanted to get proof, get the test done, which is a part of a verification procedure, she failed those tests, did not appear, gets an outside hospital medical certificate, and she gets cleared. Then there's an Audi vehicle of an OBC non-creamy layer status woman flaunting a VVIP badge. The visual you see, that is her, the latest image, after she was asked about all the controversies around her, to which she says, I'm not authorized to speak, and that she'll take over the new designation that she's been given, which is a transfer to a different location. Omkar is joining me on the phone line right now. Omkar, so the cops, are they still outside the residence, which is that huge bungalow, which you say is about 30 to 40 crore rupees? They are not there. Is the family not there at all? What are you picking up what the cops plan now in this case?
So just police, traffic police have reached at the residence, and we just got to know that the mother of Pooja Khedkar is inside the house. She'll bring the keys of the all vehicles, and police are going to check whether there are challans pending on the cars or not. But main thing is the white Audi car which Pooja was using when she was posted in the Pune on the probation. She was using that car. She was using the siren and especially the Lal Batti on her private car. So police are going to take action against that. That is where traffic police have already reached here. And Additional Commissioner Manoj Patil has already informed India Today that they'll take action as per the Maharashtra Motor Vehicle Act. So police are still waiting. Mother of Pooja Khedkar will come outside. She'll open the door and then police will enter, and then further action will be taken.
But you know, that's the big question. All of this is getting now, it's being discussed, and issues are now being taken into consideration because there's a public outrage. Wasn't it clear and shown already that this young IS officer is flaunting an Audi vehicle with the VVIP beacon on top? So that's why perhaps a lot of questions to be asked.